Shaquana Boyso, and I'm the coordinator of military services and the Veritas Veterans Liaison at Reynolds Community College. So I'm over the Military Resource Center at our school, and in my office, we help students transition in that would like to use benefits, whether they're veterans, dependents, or spouses. What we usually do in my office is we kind of have like a hands-on approach. So once they come into the office, we ask them specific questions, we sit down with them, we help walk them through anything that they need. For example, if they come in, we'll say, have you already applied for your benefits? If they haven't, then we'll take them to the site. We'll walk them through that process. If they have, then we'll go ahead and just show them what's the process once they've entered here. Speak with an advisor, sit down, and we have work studies that can help them register for courses as well. One of the things we're proud of is that we received the gold standard for military-friendly and military-friendly spouse. And we're very proud of that to show that we do care about our students and that we do put them first when we're assisting them and when they walk into our office. So this year was the 80th anniversary of the GI Bill, and so we attended it. And they give out various awards there from the Department of Veteran Services. And so one of the awards we received was an institutional award. And I was just like, what? I didn't even know that this was a thing, and we won it, and we were very excited because the things that we are doing is being noticed. Find your answer at a Virginia Community College.